What if I told you that even the smallest microblogs could generate passive income in the USA? With one Amazon affiliate plugin, you can turn low-competition niches into cash-flowing assets. In this video, I will break down the Amazon affiliate plugin strategy, a simple method to monetize microblogs and rank faster in the USA market. Start by choosing a micro niche with low competition. Examples: eco-friendly desk lamps or pet grooming gloves. These niches don't need massive traffic, but they attract USA buyers ready to purchase. Install a lightweight Amazon affiliate plugin. It automatically pulls product images, prices, and links from Amazon, making your blog look professional and trustworthy to USA audiences. Write short posts, reviews, comparisons, or top 5 lists. Every mention gets monetized with your affiliate ID, and the plugin ensures your USA visitors see updated product info. Focus on SEO. Use long-tail keywords like Best Eco Desk Lamp USA or Affordable Pet Grooming Gloves USA. With low competition, your microblog ranks quickly, and every click can turn into commission.